it was the difference to all my Snap accounts versus my main account. 1. Zone Fangyi. Snap accounts upset. I didn't make my own Snap accounts. I've literally just one temple on just Zone Fangyi and then 2 temple on 1 bot. So I won against all the Mifo, Camille. Since Camille, kaya na akong main account. Wala. Chanyo and Octavia have Camille. 1 Octavia. No Octavia na ano ito. Napakamiss pa naman. Amen Octavia has me phone. So doon na kami sa akong smart account. So sana na may po sa akong Octavia. Then we have Arcane. Wala. Hala akong tanan account. Then we have Lino in the Bedazzle show. Spit down to one my account. Some of Noctavia and Chanchanyo are out. Then have Lino in Bedazzling. My account has 4 temple. Lin. Ito na. Lalo ito na issue na daw. Amen. Anak ko main account. Lino. 4 temple. After free urgent recruitment, oh my god, kaya naman YouTube nano ka, What the? Pang hindi ka magka-PFP naman sa akong pages. Sophia didn't have Lino, but soon I will get her. My honest reaction is I have to uninstall Agnes. So yeah, Sophia won against me in the Bedazzled issue and I won against one of my Smurf accounts on Linobana. So I won. So Sophia won. Just like the Bedazzled show. Ho 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 ho. Oh, Chanchanyo is